Tori here with another December Daily. Today I'm working on day 18 in my 2019 album. Unfortunately, the 2018 one didn't get filmed. I don't know why. I thought I had pressed play or record, but I didn't. But it's okay. It was a really simple page, not really anything to show you anyways. So let's just focus on this year's album. So before I put the camera on, I decided to do my journaling off screen, or most of it on the journaling cards that I had picked out. So if you watched yesterday's December Daily video, you know that on the 19th there was a gingerbread house decorating contest at the place where I live and work, and that's what all of my photos are about today. So I have a photo collage of my gingerbread houses. I made 3, like a little village kind of thing. And I have a photo collage of that. And then I have a photo of me with these like funky Christmas tree glasses on that you can see there. I have 3 photos of some of the gingerbread houses that won prizes. And I have a photo of this Christmas song quiz that they had given out. And that's it. So let me tell you a little bit about what I'm doing here, and why don't I read my journaling to you, and then I can talk to you about the embellishing and things like that. So the first thing I wanted to do was include some journaling about my Christmas houses, sorry. So I talked about some of the decorations that I did. So chocolate dipped chips for roof shingles, marshmallows cut into flowers and Christmas trees, candy stained glass windows, cereal roofs, shingles, handmade ribbons, nerds, candy canes, sprinkles, marshmallow snowmans, and then powdered sugared snow. I don't know if that makes any sense, but those were some of the decorations that I did. And then here is my journaling about the contest. When I created my gingerbread houses, I started by wanting to win the contest, but as I began working on it, my hopes soon began to fade. The roof fell in, and one wall cracked, and by the end, my only hope was for it to stay standing. Imagine my surprise when I won the category Most Creative Use of Ingredients. The prize for winning one of the categories in the gingerbread house contest was these Christmas tree glasses, and the joy in knowing that I won in my first ever entry into RDA's contest. And then there were multiple prizes that were given out, so I have those 3 houses. So I won Most Creative Use of Ingredients, like I dipped chips in chocolate, and I did stained glass windows and lots of fun things like that. There was also a prize for Winter Wonderland and one that makes me smile. So I have those 3 houses or creations, and then I will put those in there as well. And then they did this little Christmas song quiz where there was like a sheet with 33 different pictures, and then you had to guess which song it was. So I had a lot of fun with that. My team came in second place. We had written them all down, and we thought we had them all right, but one of them we had gotten wrong, so that's why we didn't win. But I put that little photo image up there, and then on one of the journaling cards, I wrote out all of the songs for the 33 different songs. So I included that too. So I basically am starting this page like I start most of my pages by gluing down all of the photos. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and add some embellishments. I did add a Project Life card there that said currently attempting to not eat all the candy in the house next to my houses. I know that card was from Ali Edwards and it was more of like a Halloween one, but I kind of felt like it worked with this because I bought so much candy in order to decorate my houses, and so I kind of felt like the sentiment, like currently attempting not to eat all the candy, fit really well with this gingerbread house. I'm sorry I'm a little off screen there. Like I said in a couple of my other videos, I'm just still trying to figure out my filming setup in my new house. And so, yeah, I stuck that down, and then underneath this flap of those houses card that was there is where I'm going to write out the different point form things that I had decorated my houses with. I just thought it was kind of fun to do like a point form list of the creative foods and treats and things that I had put on my houses because I felt like that was the award that I won, so it kind of made sense to do that there. And I don't know, it was kind of fun to find creative ways to use the candies and things that I could find, because obviously the ingredients and candies and things in Kenya are very different than what you can find in North America. So I kind of thought it was fun to do that. And there were some creative ideas that I had come up with to decorate my house. And so I had so much fun doing that. So I wanted to write those things down. And I kind of like that it's like underneath that flap. So when you lift it up, you're like looking at the houses on the left, and then you have the list of all of the different embellishments and decorations that I had done on my houses there. It was so much fun to make those houses. Like, yeah, it was super stressful because the roof kept falling in, but like once I had left it in the fridge overnight, it was hard, and then I was able to add all of the rest of the decorations, which was really fun. And actually, I had put windows into the walls of my houses, and then had used melted candy to make almost like stained glass windows. And then I put like these twinkle lights inside the house, and it like lit up, and the stained glass windows look so cute. It was so fun. So then on that house card that was already sewn in there, which actually worked really well for this page, I added a die cut that says "'Tis the Season," and I believe that came from a Feed Your Crafts die cut ephemera pack or whatever. And I just thought that it kind of went really well with those houses and what I was doing there. And then I added another one of those word die cuts, one that says "fa la 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 la." That was from a different Feed Your Crafts kit. And I'm going to add that on the photo of me with those goofy glasses. I don't know. They're really silly glasses with Christmas trees. I thought they were fun. And so I thought the "fa la la la" was kind of cute there. The journaling card on the left said "Christmas Moments," and that one was really sweet. I felt like it kind of was a similar font. It's not the exact same, but it worked well together. And the Christmas Moments one and that other card, they come from a Christmas kit that I actually helped co-design with Wild Whisper. And that's pretty much it for my pages. I have some photos here to show you since the video got cut off at the end. I honestly don't know what is happening with my camera, so I need to figure that out. Sorry about that, guys. But that's it for my page. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Check back tomorrow for another December Daily video. I am cracking these things out, and I'm hoping to have them all done very soon. So talk to you later. Bye!
Magic is falling straight from the sky, covering everything glistening white. Jack Frost has finally come out to say hi with his snow on Christmas morning.